स्पोर्टिंग लेजंड्स ऑफ गोवा हे अंबे पर्वतकाराचे पहिले पुस्तकाचे अनावरण जाले। हे वेळार मंत्री जय साळगावकार मुखेल सोयरो आशिल्लो। भारताचो आदलो क्रिकेटर जतीन परांजपे, उद्योजक दिलीप साळगावकार, खेळा संचालक व्हीएम प्रभुदेसाय आणि लेखक क्रिकेटर अंबे पर्वतकाराचे लिखाणाची तुस्त केली। हाचे फुडें लिखाण करतना वेगवेगळे खेळाचेर फोकस करचो म्हूण परांजपेन अंबेक सल्लो दिलो।
And to Ambe's credit, he broke into that team. He broke into that team. He became a regular member of that team, and I think that that really helped him in his cricketing journey later on as well. I think Ambe, the idea for the book is fantastic. I think as Prabhu Desai sir said, you should socialize that book through the Sports Authority of Goa in schools and in colleges. But if I might add my 2 cents to the way forward, I think instead of focusing majorly on cricket, I think focus on the other sports. I think that is what India needs today. The climate for sport in India is at an all-time high. Cricket will take care of itself. The BCCI will take care of that. But other sports, seeing yourself a table tennis player, windsurfer, Mark, I didn't know that. I'm so happy to hear that. So focus on the other sports: football, basketball, table tennis, squash. I think are sports where probably school children need to know more about Goans who have represented or who are pursuing.
आता पळोवया गोंयच्या हेर सरभोंवतणीच्यो कांय खबरो।
कुडतलेचो झेडपी मोरेनो रिबेलोन सेंट झेवियर इन्स्टिट्यूटाचे स्कूलाक सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा दिले। तांचे मोल 80,000 जाता।
We have just inaugurated this CCTV that we have provided to the school, St. Xavier's High Secondary School, on Zilla Panchayat funds costing about 80,000 rupees to make environment for the children who are studying here safe and also for the staff. Nowadays we hear a lot of cases of crimes against children. So to secure the full place, we have provided the CCTV cameras to the school, and it will be my endeavor to provide all the schools in my Zilla constituency with CCTV cameras. Apparently some schools are having, but wherever they don't have the CCTV camera, we are going to provide for them. Major, we are trying to do a lot of development works. Like now at the moment we are trying to develop our ancestral threshing ground in Maina, which are trying to kind of beautifying that place. Plus we have already upgraded Maina market. We also want to upgrade Kurtori market.
मडगांव रवींद्र भवनात आदले फामाद थिएटरिस्टांचे कॅरिकेचर्सांचे एक्झिबिशन चालू आसा। ही सगळी कॅरिकेचर्स फेमस कार्टूनिस्ट एलेक्सीन काढल्यात।
I am very happy to be here looking at this exhibition thanks to the Theatre Academy of Goa and Theatre 125-year anniversary committee that said yes when I said I would like to do these caricatures of the theatres. Mainly I felt because these theatres who are 125 years are the guys who kept Konkani alive, are the guys who kept Goan identity alive. And I said they should be honored, and I said I will pay a tribute to them through my work. And that is why you see all these 104 caricatures actually. So this exhibition will be on tomorrow from 10 to 6 and on Sunday again from 10 to 6.
व्हीएम साळगावकर इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ इंटरनॅशनल हॉस्पिटॅलिटीन पोर्तुगालचे स्टडी एक्सचेंज कार्यावळी खाला पोर्तुगीज क्युझिन दवरिल्ले।
So in the month of May, a group of 7 first-year students from VMSIHE and 5 third-year students as well from the same school went to visit Portugal. We stayed for 2 weeks in Lamego, which is the north of Portugal, and we stayed for 2 weeks in Faro, which is the southernmost point of Portugal. And we learned about the cuisine, the culture, and the wines and the gastronomy of that area, as well as we learned how to cook the food. So today what's happening here is basically a it's kind of like a cross-cultural program where so I'm in charge of the kitchen. So I made the menu along with the help of the other first-year students that went, and we've made the traditional dishes from the north as well as from the south of Portugal.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.